So today we're going to be opening a box from Kidde and Edwards. If you ask me, that means there's something really good inside, so let's go ahead and start opening. I've gotten awfully good at opening boxes lately. And here we are. These are always fun to pop. Okay, so as we can see, we have a lot of goodies in this box. Let's go ahead and show you them. Kidde EG1AVRF wall mount horn strobe. This is Kidde's brand new line of LED horn strobes. As we can see, they can come in a red or a white version. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see what it is. Are you ready? This is just the dust cover. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! This looks pretty slick, I'll tell you that. It says Indoor 1575 Candela horn strobe. That confuses me because I believe that these are multi-candela. Let's go ahead and open it up and see the inside. They pop open just like the EST Genesis did, their previous series of alarms. And here's the inside. There's the horn strobe. I have no idea if it has a new sound or an old sound. But as you can see, yes, it is multi-candela. This is your selector. Up here it looks like we have some volume and maybe even tone controls, so I'll have to show you that in a new video. So, there's the first package, let's see the rest. This next one here is the EG1VRF, and I have a feeling it's the same thing as a horn strobe, but without a horn. Let's go ahead and see. Yep, there's no horn, it's just a strobe. Or in this case, an LED strobe. Yes, I said LED. Multi-candela, there's the back. This right here is the EG1ARF horn with fire marking. So this is pretty much a horn strobe, but no strobe, it's just the horn part. We'll go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like in life size. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Alright, I have this last one here, and I believe it is just the same thing as the first one I opened. Yep, it is just another horn strobe. So I have 2 of them. Alright, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Right here, it looks like we have a Kidde KI-SB4 standard detector base. This is the base for Kidde's line of commercial smoke detectors. And as you can see, it's compatible with the FX series, and that means I can use it on my current Kidde panel, which is pretty nice. Here is the plate, and then this is the actual base itself. So it just pops on like that, and then you twist on a smoke detector. And yeah, let's go ahead and see the other boxes in this box. As we can see, we have 2 more of those exact same bases, so what does that mean? Well, let's see what else is in the box. We have not 1, but 2 Kidde KIR-PD intelligent smoke and heat detector. So this is Kidde's latest FX series compatible smoke and heat detector that is addressable. And here's what it looks like. These things have a ton of features. They're really nice. Just like that, and there you go. You got your smoke detector. And lastly, we have a KIR-PD intelligent photo detector. This is pretty much the same thing as the last smoke detector, except for it does not have its heat element to it. But it's still a photoelectric smoke detector, and it still works great. And that's all we have left in the box here. And this is everything that came in the box. So what am I going to be doing with all this? Well, remember that video I put out a couple weeks back about the new S.E.R? That's where all this is going. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.